Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Battling bacteria. My name is Basmah. I'm in grade 8 and I go to Teston Village Public School. Today, I will be conducting an experiment on various disinfectants to test their effectiveness. Purpose. So the purpose of this project is to understand which and why a certain disinfectant is more effective than the others. A lot of sanitizers and wipes are advertised to kill and prevent dangerous bacteria and illnesses. Lysol wipes and sprays are advertised to kill 99.99% of the germs. During these unprecedented times, people are rushing to buy any disinfectants that they can find. So I wanted to test these disinfectants to figure out which of them kills the most bacteria. Hypothesis. I hypothesize that the best disinfectant will have the most alcohol. This is because alcohol uses a process called denaturation, in which alcohol kills the fat membrane around the virus and exposes and dissolves the main component of that virus. I predict that hydrogen peroxide will also play a critical role in making the best disinfectant. This is because hydrogen peroxide destroys the virus's cell wall through a process called oxidation. I have two sanitizers that have the same amount of alcohol. The first one has 70% of ethanol, visibly clean. The other one has 70% of isopropyl alcohol, Ecomed. I believe that the sanitizer with 70% of ethanol will be more effective since ethanol is more powerful than isopropyl. I say this because even CDC said that they don't have a recommended alternative to hand rub products with greater than 60% ethanol or 70% isopropanol as active ingredients. So since ethanol was just 60% and isopropanol was 70%, I concluded that ethanol is probably stronger. The Lysol spray will most likely be third because it only has 58% ethanol. And then the wipes with 0% alcohol will be the least effective. The independent variable is the source of bacteria. So in this case, we're more phone and hand. The dependent variable is the amount of bacteria that grows inside the petri dishes. The constants are the room temperature, the amount of light, and the preparation of each petri dish. Materials. So, in order to conduct this experiment, you will need a microwave, some water, petri dishes, beaker, nutrition agar, cotton swabs, disinfectants, zip lockers, and some tape. So this is the procedure, and I'll give you a few minutes to read it. Okay, so after the procedure, we have pictures. So here I took pictures of the bacteria growing during a period of 3 days. And every day I recorded my results. There are 2 petri dishes in each Ziploc because one petri dish is before the use of the disinfectant and the other one is after the use of the disinfectant. My discoveries. So after recording the colonies produced by each petri dish for 3 days, I found that Visibly Clean was the best disinfectant. The Lysol spray wasn't far from Visibly Clean, but the fact that it says 99.99% of the bacteria is killed isn't an accurate statement, since only 67.80% of the bacteria was killed. Ecomed was also pretty surprising considering its advertisements say that it also kills 99.99% of the bacteria. And then wet wipes, its outcome wasn't really surprising to me considering it didn't have any alcohol. Conclusion. So, in conclusion, just as I hypothesized, the best disinfectant was visibly clean, and the least effective disinfectant were the wet wipes. I was also right when I said that the more the alcohol there is, the better the disinfectant is, preferably ethanol. My hypothesis was incorrect when I said that Ecomed would be ranked second and that Lysol spray would be ranked third. After I did the experiment, I found that the Lysol spray was more effective than the Ecomed sanitizer. These findings will help me and others all around the world choose the right disinfectant considering the unprecedented times that we are in. Thank you, Sakura.